We wanna party. Thank God my makeup is not heavy. Guys, finally it started raining heavily.
Many happy returns.
Feel like I'm going away.
I love today's weather. Guys, finally it started raining heavily and I'm here with my cup of Lipton. It's raining outside, it's raining heavily, and I have an appointment with my hairstylist today. I wonder how it's gonna be. Hopefully if the rain stops early, I'll go. This weather is not funny at all. Gosh, you hear the sound of that thunder? Guys, I need to keep my phone, I beg. So guys, I am all dressed for the birthday event. I'm dressing up 1 hour early because I have a kid too to get ready. Meanwhile, these are the jewelries that I want to wear. These earrings and this bangle. And I know quite alright that I will be late for this event if I don't dress up now. Because getting Pearl ready for any outing is not an easy something. Trust me, it's not an easy thing. So there's another pin. I know that when I will not need the pin now, I will see it. Okay. So this is it. I don't like this thing here, but there's nothing I can do. I wanted to buy a new bra, handless one, but I didn't meet up. So I'm just going to manage this one like this. I will not kill myself. It's not that excellent, but it's manageable. Okay. I'm sweating already and we not put on my wig. I'm just going to go with the wig like this. Just carry my hair like this. It's not bad. Okay, let me get my baby dressed up. Hey, give me my watch, don't spoil it. Who is about to dress? Big guy is about to. So it's evening already and she just needs to wear this. But it's like I will take another of her clothes along with me. But I know the whole place is gonna be cool, you understand? They're going to turn on the AC. I'm very sure of that. So, is it Marvelous baby? Marvelous baby. Go. So she's going to wear these her shoes, the one I showed you guys the last time. This shoe is very pretty. I love it for her. Very pretty. Her own birthday is coming up. Hey, 4 months from now, Abby? Yes, that's September. Guys, to be sincere, I'm very confused. Like, I don't just know how Pearl's birthday preparation is going to be, but the Lord is my strength. I'll try my best because I mean it's my first birthday. Whoa! I need to try my best. Whoa! Guys, check it out. Guys, look at. I love this shoe for her. Wow. Let's go with this handbag. Ooh. No. So guys, we are all ready to hit the road now. The place she's hosting the event is not that far. It's about 2 minutes drive, from here. So let's get to the party. DJ, we wanna party. See the way I'm sweating now. Thank God my makeup is not heavy. This is just a light makeup. See my baby girl. Oh, my baby girl is ready to rock the party show.
The transfer will come there about 10K. I try. Big Wizzy, please still be the next thing. Oh. Children, time no day. I want tip the full clock. R. Don't make I do mistake. V. You never put loss. You don't cut.
I never cut now. I dey wait for you.
S. Blood of Jesus. And ladies and gentlemen, let's do a toast. Move, do toast. Anything for toast. Ladies and gentlemen, we will just celebrate long.
Oh yeah.
I wish you good life. I wish you more money. I wish you more wisdom to excel.
Many, many, many happy returns. Oh yeah.
Anyone see what's up for yourself? I will see you.
Hey.
Ladies and gentlemen, come in the duplicate.
You look so nice.
It's here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's slap back on my piano. It's a let's go to my piano right now. Slap that shit back right now. Everybody on your feet right now. It's about time we come. That's small. If you don't come outside, I 10K. If you don't come outside, 10,000. If you don't come outside, 10K. Okay. Come up for there. Come up for there. We there for Betty. Come up for there. Ladies and gentlemen, you're free to dance with somebody. Bring her up. You go pay 10K. Go pay 10K. You go pay 10K. I said bring her up. Where the money there? Where you bring her up? Where the money there? Where you bring her up? Come on. Where the
For make am fifth.
I feel like say this show no go hold when I show all my guys them feel I'm all okay. When it says girl let it go, I hope you are feeling all of my team. Hard man from the east, he must stay. I know they know. I don't go ball. This time around I don't feel ball. Now money to make me feel fine for. You don't know, don't be darling. I don't know how you feel now. But the second I don't know darling, my money to make me feel.
Tighter, this dynamic says it all. You're the curator and I'm your animal. Feel like I'm sinking underwater. Feel like I'm going over the falls. My mind spins faster and faster. My heart is bursting through the wall. And just for once I wish we'd stop and smell the roses, instead of dreaming of things we miss.